Right now, trillions of tiny organisms are hard at work inside you, forming a complex world we call the gut microbiome. This hidden ecosystem of bacteria, viruses, and fungi is far more than just a digestive aid. It's a command center for your health. Research suggests that maintaining a balanced relationship with these microbes is one of the best things you can do for your body. But in our modern world, this delicate balance is constantly under threat from our environment, medications, and especially our daily diet. When we consume low-fiber, highly processed foods, we aren't just eating poorly, we are essentially starving our most important internal allies. Without the right fuel, beneficial bacteria begin to die off, leading to a loss of diversity that can trigger systemic inflammation. In extreme cases of starvation, some hungry microbes may even start to feed on the protective mucus lining of your own intestinal walls. This breakdown of the gut barrier can lead to long-term health issues, increasing the risk of chronic diseases and even certain cancers. The good news is that we have the power to reshape this internal wilderness simply by choosing the right fuel. Dietary fiber is the ultimate superfood for your gut, found in abundance in fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, and whole grains. When your bacteria digest this fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which nourish and protect your gut lining. These incredible compounds help regulate your immune system, improve organ function, and significantly reduce inflammation throughout the entire body. The relationship is simple. The more diverse fiber you eat, the more fiber-digesting bacteria will colonize and strengthen your gut. A fascinating study showed how quickly this change happens by swapping the diets of rural South Africans and African Americans. In just 2 weeks, those moving to a high-fiber diet saw immediate improvements in their colon health and cancer-fighting markers. Beyond just fiber, specific compounds called polyphenols play a starring role in supporting a diverse and robust microbial community. You can find these powerful antioxidants in colorful sources like dark chocolate, red wine, green tea, and even your morning coffee. Research suggests these foods act as a tonic for your microbes, encouraging a wider variety of species to flourish together. On the flip side, diets heavy in dairy fats and sugar-sweetened sodas have been correlated with a sharp decrease in bacterial diversity. It's not just about what you eat, but how it's prepared. Minimally processed, fresh foods usually provide the best bacterial fuel. Try lightly steaming or sautéing your vegetables instead of frying them to preserve the structural integrity of the beneficial fibers. Another powerful strategy is introducing live, helpful bacteria directly into your system, a practice known as consuming probiotics. Fermented foods are teeming with probiotic heroes like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, which have been used for centuries across global cultures. Items like kimchi, sauerkraut, tempeh, and kombucha bring both vitality and a necessary variety to your daily microbial landscape. Yogurt is a classic choice, but be careful, many commercial brands are loaded with sugar and lack enough live cultures to help. While these are excellent general guidelines, it is important to remember that every individual's microbiome is a unique, personal fingerprint. We are still in the early stages of understanding the vast complexities of how specific foods interact with our inner microbes. Observing these interactions directly is difficult, and more research is needed to prove direct cause and effect for every food type. However, the correlations we see today provide a clear and hopeful roadmap for improving our long-term metabolic and digestive health. Think of your gut as a garden. The more variety you plant and the better you fertilize it, the more it thrives. Small, consistent changes in your daily meals can lead to a massive shift in how you feel, think, and even age. By prioritizing whole, plant-based foods, you are essentially investing in a high-performance insurance policy for your future self. Focus on firing up your beneficial bacteria with every bite, choosing life-affirming ingredients that support your biological rhythm. Your journey to health doesn't require a radical overhaul, just a shift toward more fiber, fresh produce, and fermented delights. As we continue to explore this vast internal wilderness, one truth remains clear: your gut health is largely in your hands. Fill your plate with the colors of nature and trust your gut to keep you going strong for years to come. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this insight helpful, consider subscribing to our journey toward a healthier, longer life.